I will explain about the curtain designs in Revit. Okay, right. So first of all, I can go to choose my wall, choose the architectural. In the architectural wall, I can go to choose my curtain wall empty. So I choose from curtain wall empty. So here, if you want, I can keep it my top constant and base constant. But now I just leave on 8,000 height. So here to here, I can take it from around 2000. Okay, so 2000 mm, and now I can go to find out my east elevation and north elevation. So it's look like this. I can go to find out my 3D, so it's look like this. Okay, so I can just go for to remove my levels. So this is like this. Okay, now here I have to create some curtain designs. So I can go to choose my family. Okay, in the family, I can go to find out the exterior side. I have to find out. So you remember I took from 2000 plus 2000 into 8000. So here I can get it around 200. Okay, so this is 200. So better I can go to find out from 250. Okay, so that is equal to 500. So here five, so total 500, and the same time I can create one more grid somewhere here. This one also I can then try to find out this one also like 500. Okay, so here I can do 500. So this to 500 by 500. So if you want, I can just create the label and then the length. Okay, so I can create the length 500. Right here, I can go find out my execution. So here I can just draw my rectangle, and here I can apply it. Lock. So I have to create the family. Right. So after that, here I can go for offset. It's around 20. So I can go to find out this my rectangular. I can go to find out the offset around 20. So here I can take it from here. So after that, I can go to find out any. So better can do one thing. I can create one more reference plan. Okay, so I can create one more reference plan, and I can go to find out that also like equal, right? So here I can take from this circle. I can choose the circle somewhere here to here 150. Again, I can go to find out the option like that. So here I can go to find out one more line here, and here also I can create one more line. So here I can go to find out the offset around 10. Okay, so I can keep it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I can just remove, can just remove this two to go to find out my split. So I have to split these things. Okay, right. And even here also I have to split it. Okay, right. Now I can go to find out this one, two, like this. You have to connect like this way. See here, split it. So I can select. So I just flip this so I can move forward back around the offset. So I can go to offset somewhere here and here also I will take it so I can draw one line here. So don't forget it should be line. Now I can go to find out so here 1 and 2 I can able to remove, and here it's already splitted so I can finish like this way. Perfect. So I already did these things. Now I can just apply. Yeah, here I can go to fix it. Again apply. Yeah, this is my shape I created. Okay. So after that here I can go to find out the end around 20 thickness. Right now I can go to find out my 3D. So it's look like this. After that you can just select to go to find out your material. You can create the material like curtain panel material. Okay, right. So you can go to find out the reference. So this is the way you can just create one more line for the thickness. So you can just find out. So here to here, I can make it like 20. Okay, I can make it like 20. Right now, I can just move it up to here and I can lock this too. Okay, I can lock and I can go to find out my 3D. So I have to load it to my project. So now I can go to find out my 3D here. So this is one. So I can just go for edit and uh, the vertical fixed distance I can go for 500 and layout horizontal also fixed distance I can go for 500. So both I created. Right. So now I can go back to my edit. Here you can able to see this curtain panel. So here you can find out your model. So the family apply. So now you can able to see how it will be created like a curtain panel design. So you remember this one, you can go to find out edit. So here you can just select here edit. So this is your panel. So you can able to change it if you need it. So otherwise you can just click to find out and you can go to find out here and make your model main materials. Okay, so you can just select the material somewhere, any type of material you can change it like aluminium or something. So otherwise you can create like new create the new material. So then if you want you can go for glass or something. So default material you can just go for duplicate. Let's see P1 or something. You can here you can able to see the colors and the appearance. You can find out on the metals or wood or so. If you want, you can go to wood, no issue. You can just apply the wood. So this is now become a wood material. Okay. So apply, okay. Here you can able to see this realistic. So it's look like this. So again, you can upload it. Now you can able to see your 3D to find out your realistic. So now you can able to see this and everything. Right. So this is the way you can able to create the curtain panels and patterns and everything. I hope you understand this video. Thank you so much.